Sit in any comfortable posture. Roll back your shoulders, spine straight, head straight, and eyes closed. Observe your breath for as long as you want before starting the pranayama so that you can perform the pranayama mindfully.
Namaste everyone, my name is Priya Pal and in this video I am going to show you how to do Anulom Vilom. Before doing this, I will be doing prayer. So let's start. Sit in any comfortable posture. Roll back your shoulders. Spine erect. Palms on your thighs and facing upward. Now gently close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 Now join your palms at your heart center and chant Omkara for 3 times. Now chant prayer after me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanu Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahi Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidvi Shamahi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently rub your palms. Cup it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Look through the gaps of your fingers. And namaste. Now, I will be doing Anulom Vilom now. For this, stay in the posture, same posture, spine erect, head straight. Now, we will make Chin Mudra with your left hand like this. Tip of your index finger touching the tip of your thumb like this, and place it on the thigh. With the right hand, we will be making Nasal Mudra. Your index finger and your middle finger, tip of the index finger and your middle finger touching the eyebrow center like this. And with your ring finger, we will be pressing left nostril, and with the thumb we will be pressing right nostril. Okay, like this. Now we will be inhaling from left nostril. Remember, always start inhalation from your left nostril. Inhale from your left nostril. Close your left nostril now by pressing it with your ring finger. Okay? Now, slowly and gently exhale from your right nostril. If you are done with it, now inhale from your right nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale from your left nostril. With this, we have completed one set of breathing. And now, we will be doing 10 sets of breathing. So let's start. Take this as your last round. Gently place your right hand on your right thigh, making chin mudra with your right hand. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Join your palms at your heart center. Gently rub your palms. Cup it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Look through the gaps of your fingers. Remove your palm and namaste. I just forgot to mention that people suffering from cold and flu should not do this pranayama. So with this, I am done with Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Namaste.